Hello, fellow mortgage loan originators. Are you tired of the slow business in this down market? Well, fear not, because I've got some surefire tips to get those loan applications rolling in. First off, let's talk about networking. Forget about attending those boring industry events and conferences. Instead, just start hanging out at your local pub and striking up conversations with anyone who looks like they might be in the market for a home loan. I mean, who needs business cards and flyers when you got a friendly smile and a pint of beer, am I right? Next, let's talk about marketing. Don't waste your time and money on social media and print ads. Instead, go guerrilla style and just start spray painting your logo and your contact information on random buildings and public spaces. Who needs permission? You just go for it, right? And if you get caught, just tell the authorities that, hey, you're just trying to make a little bit of art in the world, right? They'll totally understand. Now, let's talk about lead generation. You know all those pesky do not call lists? Ignore them, right? Just pick up the phone and start dialing random numbers. Who cares if people don't want to talk to you? It's their loss, really. And if they get upset and start yelling at you, just hang up, move on to the next number. There's plenty of people out there who's dying to hear about your mortgage rates. And last but not least, let's talk about customer service. Forget about being polite and professional. Just be yourself. I mean, after all, you're an MLO, not a therapist. If a customer starts getting too emotional about their financial situation, tell them to suck it up and stop being so sensitive. And if they get angry and threaten to leave a bad review, just remind them, you're the only one who can help them get their dream home, so they should be grateful for your services. So there you have it, folks. My expert advice on how to get more mortgage loans in a down market. Just remember, be bold, be fearless, and be a little bit crazy. Who knows, you might just become the most successful MLO in town, or you might get taken out by fines, the CFPB, the FTC, or local law enforcement. Just remember, if you get caught, it's your fault. You don't understand satire. I'm Uncle Aaron, and I'm out.